Hi guys, your girl's here at the Disney Character Warehouse store. Well, I'm about to go into the Disney Character Warehouse store, but I'm at Vineland Premium Outlets and I'm heading in to the Disney Character Warehouse store. That's where I'm heading to, so let's go. Well, it's a Tuesday, not a Wednesday. Normally I come here on Wednesdays, but I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow that is going to tie me up for most of the day, so I decided that I would come today and check things out. So they got more of the Jasmine collection in, and prices.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
$20. They've got ears for $8. This, I believe, is a tablecloth. That's for $20. On the books, I'm not seeing a price on them. $9.99? Okay, thank you. $9.99. Oh, there we go. I just didn't look in the back. Thank you. There's a jasmine candle. Let's see what that smells like. That doesn't smell bad. $25. And over here they have some of the 50th items in. We have the Lionel train set for $2.80. The Lionel train cars for $90. My blankets in here. How much? I don't see a price. For $100, you can get Aloha Sunny Day suitcase with Duffy and Friends. While more of the Marie collection came in, for $20 you have a planter, figurine planter, and then they had the candles for $20. Napkin sets new for $20 probably. Nope, $24.99. Got the dog beds here for $25. Nothing new here. Here's this blanket again. It's $24.99. Dinosaur Park. This is new. But I also noticed that they have some costume dresses again. There's nothing really else new in this section. Dumbo planners are here for $13. And here's another bed, but this is more or less for a cat for $24.99. Towels are still $12.99. I'm waiting for these prices to go down, and nothing yet. Little teacups. Pink cracks are here, but I think they all have big sizes. So no luck on that one either yet. I came in here really hoping to find that flower sweater, but no luck. No flower. $30 for this two-piece set. Now they have it at 3X. Oh, the coin purses went down to $5.99. I think I paid $7.99 for mine. It's a backpack. Oh, and we got some slippers here with Mickey head on them. These shoes are new here. These are the 50th shoes. Toddler hat $7.99. Halloween bags $30. And these are the 50th shoes, $24.99. Oh, Aloha bag here. This is new. $24.99. That is really cute. And they still have my flower bag, $19.99 still. I don't see anything new here in the mugs. Maybe this flubber. That's about it. A lot of the same clothes that are still here. Not really seeing much new items. That jacket for $80. Chippendale shorts. These are cute. $14.99. Sweatpants. What are on these? Oh, it's just tie-dye. Oh, look at the Oliver and Company, the sweater. That's cute. Jacket's cute. It's from Hercules for $30. They have little flip-flops here for $20. They got some new pants in here. This one says Sly Fox on them. And I seen the flower or Mickey and Stitch. This 50s shirt's new. I don't remember seeing this at the parks. 15 bucks. Some other new shirts here. That Stitch. And Tiana shirts. Mickey 20th. Magical Years. Alright. I didn't see any new pins or magnets. The calendar's new. No, I'm not seeing anything new on these racks at all. They got band shoes here for $29.99. Alright, they still got these Crocs. It looks like they got a lot of stuff that came from Hawaii. Because I see a lot of Stitch and Duffy. They still had the Trader Sam bags. What are they? $35. Rock and Roll roller coaster backpacks are still there, and the Halloween bags were here. They're gone now. And that was all that we've really found in the side there. No, let's turn it around. I found a nice shaded spot to stand into, so that was all that was inside the Disney Character Warehouse. They had some new stuff in there, some markdown stuff, but no flower sweater. I was upset. I was really bummed. I was hoping they would have had it. I came early thinking that I'd get it early. No. But, oh well. It's not meant for me to get then. Maybe I'll find it at iDrive if I ever go there again. You never know. It might come back here too. Fingers crossed. Alright guys. As always, thank you for being here. And if you haven't yet, hit that thumbs up button. That helps me out. That's a great way to help support the channel, is by giving me a thumbs up. Alright guys. Love you. Bye.